easy way to cook a pumpkin, or how to cook a pumpkin from scratch. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So as you seen from the previous videos, I harvested a lot of pumpkins this year. These are some of the pumpkins that I harvested, and I'm gonna show you an easy way to cook pumpkin, and that's the way I cook the pumpkin. So I'm gonna take you step by step how you can cook pumpkin and enjoy vegetable like this. It's very easy to do, and you just have to take a few minutes to get it ready, and within 30 minutes you have vegetable. So now we're just gonna break the pumpkin like that. So my mom's helping me do this. She's breaking the pumpkin. Since it's a very big pumpkin, it's a little bit difficult to break it open. So we're just gonna break it into pieces. The smaller the pieces, the shorter the time you're gonna cook it. But if you have bigger pieces, it's gonna take longer to cook. So what we're doing is gonna break it into smaller pieces, and then we're gonna cook it. And which is this method is mostly steaming. There are different ways of cooking, or you can roast it in the oven. You can make a puree of it, but we're just cooking it in smaller pieces. So we have our pot. We just need a little bit of water in the pot, and then we're just you can add a little bit of salt like this. If you don't like to, you can just do it without adding salt. You can add any other ingredients that you prefer on your pumpkin, but I just use just regular salt. That's fine. And then you put in the pumpkins in the pot, and I suggest putting the pumpkins in the pot facing down, so that way the water doesn't get into the pumpkin itself. So we just flip it over like that, and then we're just gonna let it cook for about, like I said, depending on the size, or about this ones, we're gonna let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. If they're smaller, it's gonna take much shorter. If they're bigger, it's gonna take much longer. So we're just gonna let it cook in this container in the pot for 30 minutes, and then we should be able to get our pumpkin. Some people just rub olive oil on it and put it in the oven, and they're able to do that. Maybe I'll try that on the next pumpkin that we do, but most often this is how I do it. Now we have our temperature on high, and then we'll let it steam in there for 20 to 30 minutes. So it's been steaming for about 20 minutes right now. So you're gonna check and see if it's cooked inside. You can use a toothpick or something to check. I'm gonna use a toothpick just to check, make sure that it's cooked completely inside. If it goes in smoothly like that, it means it's cooked and it's ready to go. So it's cooked, and you can let it cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna dish it and just use a spoon or fork to eat it up, or you can just peel the covers and break it into little pieces, and that is it. That's how I eat my pumpkin. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, everybody.